Hi everybody. Somehow our microwave door latch broke or became disconnected, and I thought I'd spend a couple of minutes to see if it could be repaired or if the door needed to be replaced. We have a Frigidaire microwave, and this fix may work for many other microwave doors. These two latches are under spring tension. I'm guessing the door got slammed a bit too hard, or something connected to the latches disconnected or broke. To begin with, unplug your unit and assess how to remove the door. Ours had a simple cover plate along the top face of the unit, then a couple of screws holding the door in place. With the door lying flat, I found it was like a sandwich with the latch and spring inside the inner and outer door covers. When I opened it up, I found that the posts were cracked. My first thought was a simple super glue repair, but after reviewing the tension on the spring, the stress applied to the bracket while the system is opening and closing the door, I realized this needed additional reinforcement. Enter the girder. Sure, a bath sponge handle seems like a silly choice. This repair needs something rigid, inert, non-metallic, and won't degrade when exposed to steam. I believe this material is ideal to reinforce the space between the two posts. Does the bath sponge girder look like a good choice now? I cut the girder just a little bit too long intentionally, and then used a belt sander to reduce the length for a snug fit. I applied super glue to the base of both cracked posts and under the girder to truly lock this in place. Super glue sets up pretty quick, but I gave this rig a good half an hour to be sure. I reattached the spring to the support post. The image doesn't do justice to the amount of tension that's on the spring and the posts. But after you open and close this door and slam it a few times each week, it needed to be reinforced. I planned this repair to endure a family slamming every day. So I made this repair in April of 2020 and just now getting around to posting this September 2022. The repair seems to hold well. I welcome your questions.